Well, he just sawed off Posey. Holy Moses. They're going to need a vacuum to find pieces of that bat.
Well, the bat came around and it looked like it hit Brayan Pena in the back. Watch the bat head come around here. Come all the way around, and it hits Pena. You can see him wince right there. He ran all the way down the first baseline. Now Paul Lessard and Brian Price are going to come on out.
I think he got the umpire as well as Pena. In fact, I'm not so sure it didn't get more of the umpire watching that replay than it did the Reds catcher, but both of them being attended to by the Reds training staff. Oh boy. It got him in the left forearm. Him being the umpire. Where'd it get Pena?
Pena in the back. The head of the back came right around. And the first thing Posey does is turn around and then wondering if everybody's all right. Look, they're both hobbling around there. Marquez is hurting. Pena's hurting. Well, that's an odd play.
Well, they're looking
at him on the hand. Yeah. Now that's not the strike hand anyway. Pitchers will be happy to know that. You can still ring them up with the right hand with a bad left. That's the hand that they keep the clicker in.
He had it resting on his left thigh, and the bat just smashed that hand. Oh boy.
Well, Tom, you never know who's watching us here on Fox Sports Ohio. I mean, they're tuned in all over the place. And there's a guy that we normally see every time the Giants come to town. He's manning the third base coaching box.
I know you're talking about your main man.
He's not there anymore.
Nope.
He retired after last year, after the Giants won their third World Series in 5 trips. He's now on the tour, making rock star stops everywhere. Tim Flannery, the Flan Man, also known as the Rev, is sitting on his couch at home dialing us up and wanted me to let you know that he's watching, so be on your best behavior.
He married you, did he not?
He did. Well, he performed the marriage ceremony.
That's what I mean. People know what I mean. I mean, come on.
When Beth and I were married out at the Hollister Ranch, his home away from home in the winter, he presided